breath, scared to rock the boat and make a mess. So I said quietly, agreed politely.
I guess that I forgot I had a choice. I let you push me past the breaking point. I stood for nothing,
so I fell for everything.
you held me down, but I got up, already brushing off the dust. To hear my voice, to hear that sound, like thunder gonna shake the ground. You held me down, but I got up. Get ready, cause I've had enough. I see it all, I see it now. I got the eye of the tiger, a fighter, dancing through the fire. Cause I am a champion, and you're gonna hear me roar louder, louder than a lion. Cause I am a champion, and you're gonna hear me roar. Oh, oh, roar. And you're gonna hear me roar.
Now I'm floating like a butterfly, stinging like a bee in the stripes. I went from zero